Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I am Aditya, and in this exciting series, we will see Python from very beginner level. So I'll be covering the Python basics, including what is Python, how it works behind the scene, and how to then proceed forward with the Hello World program and everything. We'll see the content as well. Then we will, in the next part of the video, we will see the series, actually not the video but the series, we will see the object oriented programming theory, and then in the next section of the series we will see how we can use whatever theory we learn of object oriented programming and apply it in Python. So let's see what's in the first section. So we will see the introduction, of course, like how to install Python and what is Python, how it works, what it is used for, and then we will write a hello world program, like just a small program to print a message hello world. Then we'll see the variable and data types, the operators, the collection structure like list, tuples, dictionaries, loops, what are functions, and also I might cover in this part file handling basics, but the main purpose I haven't added it over here because I want to keep this section for just the basics, and all those advanced features I want to take it to the next level of object oriented programming, but we'll see how it goes. So that's in the basics, and next we are going to see the object oriented programming concepts. So we'll see the introduction, then the four fundaments on which the object oriented programming stands, which is encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, and abstraction. After that we will just apply these concepts and write a Python application. So the reason I'm keeping this section later after the basics of Python, because first we'll see the basics, like how the Python works and what's Python exactly, and then take it a step forward with this theoretical concepts and apply it for Python program. So that's how the entire series will be structured, or it's set. So I'll see you in the next video where we will start right from the beginning of installing the Python, and over here, this one, installing the Python, the hello world program, and step by step we'll go with it. So see you in the next video.